Hello, gang. How's everybody doing? I'm going to take my headset off because nobody's in here with me, but I'm going to go ahead and chat with you folks. Don't forget, we always want to know what country and city, state, etc. you are from. And my soon-to-be daughter-in-law, I just found out that Peru won their first medal in something like 30 years. So congratulations to them. So yeah. It's so much fun. She's from there, those that don't know that. But anyway, hey, listen, it's all a family around here, right? This is going to be a fun one today. I'm just going to kind of shoot from the hip here, but this is super cool. There's a lot of things, and everybody's using these emoji kind of things nowadays too. So I'm going to show you a couple things. Let's see. I got to make sure that I get to all these pages. Hold on a second. All right, so okay, good. I got that. Now I got all that out of the way. Here we go. Let's get right into it. Everybody's saying hi. Good to see everybody. Like I said, thank you, members. I see mostly members out there, and they have a little icon right next to their name, not the wrench, but the other. And that means that they're members of my YouTube community, like Richard right there. Hey, Richard. And yes, you hear me. I like that. We always have to double check with me whether I have the sound going or not. Should be a fun one today. So I'm going to get right to it and hit it. Let me go to just going to show you a couple things. Just wanted to get prepared on all this because I want to show you it's kind of fun and kind of cool. Let's go ahead and get right to what we're talking about today. Today we're talking about emojis and how to add emojis. So one thing that's cool is Windows gives you the ability to do this. Of course, Chrome does, and there's all kinds of stuff. And then there's a little pretty interesting one that you may not know, but I'm going to go over today. This is super cool. Has to do with Google Photos. So that's a little hint to where I'm getting at. But again, this is just a fun one today. So if you use these or have these or think this is something you would use or it's kind of cool, let's do it. Let's try and figure it out, right? All right, so let's get right to it. I'm going to share my screen first of all, or I'm going to get down to my screen where I share my screen. There we go. Okay. So I have Notepad open. This is any window this would work. But if I have Notepad open and I wanted to add an emoji, I would hit the Windows key plus dot. Okay. So you can't see that probably, but it's Windows key plus dot. Okay. And when you do that, you get the chance to do emoji. So let's just do that. Let's just have a little bit of fun. So if I hit Windows key and a dot, it's telling me just keep typing to find any emoji. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to type in smile. And look at all the smiles that come up. So I'm going to hit that. There's a smile. This is in Notepad, so it immediately gives you that. I'm going to go to the next one. Let me just do pizza. And it didn't do it. Why not? All right, let's try it again. And Windows dot, pizza. Why is it not doing it? Oh, maybe I'm not spelling it. Oh, it doesn't like it. Wonder why. Oh, I know I hit erase it. Let's try it again. P-I, oops. P-I. Oh. This is very frustrating. Window dot, P-I. Z. There we go. Wow. I just have to slow down. So here we go. Like pizza. There you go. Puts a pizza slice. So you can kind of see that it's adding those images and that kind of stuff. So it's really super cool that you can do this. So there's a lot of fun. Windows plus the dot. That gives you the opportunity to do that. Well, I'm going to show you a little bit more. We're all about emojis today. So we're going to talk about emojis and see how that does. So I'm going to go right to the, it's called getemoji.com. This is what it looks like. There's lots of ads in this thing, so I'll try and block them out if I can, but I probably won't be able to block them all out. But anyway, I'm going to put in carrot. Let's just hit carrot. Well, here, this is so cool. So it comes up with a carrot. So when I click on carrot, it gives me the carrot. You can kind of see right here. It says emoji designs, technical information also on this. So this is kind of cool. So I like this. If you go to the technical information, it just kind of tells you the code points, etc., the name, all that. But I like this, emoji designs. What this does, it tells you what it's going to look like on an Apple, what the Google color emoji is, the Samsung, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft, WhatsApp. It shows you what this icon is going to look, Twitter, Facebook, all of these. It shows you what that icon is going to look in all those different things. So you may not want to do that, or you might want to, but this is, again, this is, I think it's, what did I say it was? Emoji. Let me go back to it. Yeah, 𝐤𝐚𝐜𝐢𝐜.com. So I'm going to go up to the top here. Let me show you. Let's go to here, and it's right up here, 𝐤𝐚𝐜𝐢𝐜.com. Oh, it's barely on screen, isn't it? Here, let me pull that down a little bit. I'm going to pull that right there. There we go. 𝐤𝐚𝐜𝐢𝐜.com. So if you want to go check that out, it's kind of cool. So that's pretty neat one. Okay. So all this is fun. It'll work in a new tab. So if I'm right here and I wanted to just get it, add an emoji to in Chrome or something, I said, here is a clock. And instead of clock, I wanted to actually put an emoji. I can actually do Windows dot and then type in clock. And there's my choices of clocks, and I can add one. And you can see right there, just added it up here. Boom, here is a clock. And I did it all with an emoji, made the little emoji and everything. Pretty cool. Another one that I have given my community forever, and I think I might have done a live video on this, but if you want something pretty cool, fancy text, it's called lingojam.com, and I'm going to go up here so you can see that, lingojam.com, or lingojam. If you just look it up and click the link, it'll take you here. Make sure you go to the fancy text editor. Make sure fancy text editor that you're selecting, and then anything you type over here, you can add anything that it gives you over here. Anything you want, it'll do it all these fonts, and these fonts are pasteable. So for example, if I wanted this letters like this, it'll paste into any chat out on the web. So if you're watching a live show and you want to add this to the web, like I can do this, it'll actually do these as well. So if I highlight those, I can copy and paste, Control-C to copy and then paste. It will take all of that text and just like that and put it right in a chat anywhere you are. Doesn't matter if you're on YouTube answering something or you're over on Facebook, it'll put it with these particular fonts. There's a lot of times where I want bold. So I might choose one of these bold ones or real simple letters. I can do that. You have to go with their choices. It's not like you can add them or anything, but it always throws some icons in here too. So you can go pick out some of those icons, take them out if you wanted to do that. Okay, now for the fun. Like I said, this tip's almost done. We're at about 10 minutes, but this is so awesome, I think. And you may not know that you could do this. So I'm going to go to my Google Photos, and I'm going to go in here and try some of those things that I did before. Now, I'm going to go to Windows dot, and I'm going to type in car. So I get a car icon, and I hit it, and now I'm done. When I hit enter, it'll search just photos when a car is in the picture or involved. Tell me that's not crazy. It found that emoji, and it's searching my Google Photos and found everything with a car. Let's try another one. This is fun. I love this. How about just something like a smile? How about Windows dot and then smile? All right, I'll take the first one, the smile right here. Now let's hit enter. When I hit enter, anybody that's smiling in a photo is going to show up. How awesome and cool is that? I just love this stuff. It's so neat how some of this stuff works and things that you can see and do by all of this. This is a silly one today, but it was a fun one. I think it was something that a lot of people are more and more are using emojis. So I wanted to share that today. That's it. That's the tip for today. Basically, tip show, I should say. And that's about 11 minutes, so I'm good to go. So I appreciate everybody that showed up. Appreciate all you guys. Thank you so much. I see geeks made it. They finally made it here. Good to see you guys. I'm going to take us into the backstage pass. Hopefully that was a fun one. You can use this and just bug the heck out of all of your workers and coworkers and stuff by adding. Remember, on a Windows machine, it's just Windows key and dot, and you can get to that. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate y'all showing. We'll see you guys in the backstage pass, those that are members, because you get to come in here and see us. Thank you, everybody. All righty.